In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between CaseGuard Studio and Adobe Premiere Pro when it comes to redactions. CaseGuard Studio is an all-in-one redaction software that's designed to handle video, images, audios, and document files with tons of different features. Adobe Premiere Pro is primarily a video editing software that has some redaction features built in. I have 2 minutes of body-worn camera footage that I'm going to upload to both softwares to see which one can redact it better. Let's start with CaseGuard. I have my body-worn camera footage uploaded. I can use AI video to select all of the PII that I need redacted from my video. Here I can customize what my redactions are going to look like. CaseGuard allows me to choose different shapes, redaction effects, as well as redaction reasons to be used later in an exemption log. CaseGuard automatically identifies what's best for your redactions based on the PII you've selected, so I can click through this knowing that CaseGuard has already customized this for me. Once I click apply, CaseGuard is instantly finding all of the PII I've selected. Here, faces are being redacted in lightning speed. In just about 6 minutes, all of the PII has been redacted from my video. However, I know that I need this officer's face unredacted, so I can find it in my object detection panel, select it, and click delete. And now his face is unredacted throughout my entire video. As I click play, I can see all the redactions made to the faces in my video. This entire process only took CaseGuard's AI about 6 minutes to complete. Now let's go over to Adobe Premiere Pro. In Adobe Premiere Pro, I have my footage uploaded. I can search for my effect and apply it to my footage. Now I can create a mask for every face that needs to be redacted, manually moving them over the faces as I go. This is quite a tedious process. I have to create a new mask for each face that needs to be redacted. And then go through frame by frame, moving my redactions as my subjects move in the video. Each time a face moves and the mask needs to follow it, I have to manually find the mask and move it myself. Since this is taking so long, I'm going to go back to CaseGuard and show you what can be done in this time. Here in CaseGuard, I'm back in my original file. However, I have 7 more videos of body-worn camera footage that I need all redacted the same way as this one. I can choose bulk processing, select video, as well as AI video, and then again choose all the PII that I need redacted. Now I can go through and make sure my redaction effects are perfect, just like before. And now I can upload all the files that need redactions. And as soon as I click apply, CaseGuard is instantly redacting all of those videos at once. CaseGuard's AI works super fast, and it's going to let us redact all 7 of these videos in less time than it would take us to redact one of them in Premiere Pro. Now that CaseGuard has identified all of the PII, I can click play on one of my videos, and I can see all the redactions have been made in my exported copy. Now if I go to the original version, I can use those redaction reasons that I selected before to export an exemption log that details all of the redactions I made and why, so that I can comply with public information laws. This process in CaseGuard to redact all of these videos only took about 30 minutes to complete. If you want a redaction solution that can handle any length of video and redact all of the PII from it instantly, choose CaseGuard Studio. CaseGuard Studio has all sorts of features that can help you with your redaction needs no matter the file type, so stop doing things manually and streamline your redactions with CaseGuard.